Hello, welcome to MyRx. Today in this video, we will be understanding how to use the application MyRx for your day-to-day activities. For that, you have to open myrx.in in your browser. The browser may be Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, or else Mozilla Firefox. I am using Google Chrome right now. Then click on myrx.in. You will be landing in the website of the MyRx, which is containing the different tabs. You have to only go to this login button. While clicking the login button, you will scroll down and come to the login section where you will be finding a click here button. On clicking on this button, you will be redirected to the login screen of MyRx. Once successfully logged in, you will be redirected to the dashboard. In case you forget your password, you can reset your password through this link, forget password. So when you click on this forget password, you can see MyRx forget password is coming, where you have to enter your user ID and your registered mail ID and then click on this forget password button. Once you have done it, you will be receiving a mail with the reset information and the reset link. Once you reset your password, you can go back to login, enter your user ID and your new password and click on sign in. You will be landing in your dashboard. As because the user are using MyRx for the very first time, we are not going to this MyRx, which is our production server. Instead of that, we will be using enurse.in, which is the same site, which functionality is same, but the only thing, the mistakes are allowed here. So any kind of mistake done during the initial days of this application will be rectified in our testing server, and within 15 days of the rollout date, we will be migrating each and every authentic data to myrx.in. So after 15 days, you can log in through this site myrx.in, but till that time, you have to log in enurse.in and practice, practice and practice. So now I am doing the same thing with enurse.in. Click here to log in. This is my user ID and my password. However, one thing to note, if this is the first time login, system will prompt you to change your password mandatorily. If you are logging in the like MyRx module for the very first time, you have to change your password from the default one. So after changing the password, you can log in with the new password. This is the login information. So after that, this is my repetitive login. This is not my first time login. So that is the reason when I click on sign in, it will directly take me to the home page or the dashboard of MyRx application. This dashboard, left side of this dashboard contains all the modules of MyRx. On clicking of each and every individual module, you will be getting the sub menus like this. If you want to view this section in a bigger one, you can just click on this toggle button and the screen will be much larger and viewable. Then come this right hand side, the profile button. This profile is like the name of the person who has been logged in. When you click on this, you will be getting the name, a button called change password, the profile and the logout. So change password is an option, while if you are like changing the password, you can just click on this change password. It will take you to the screen where you will be prompted for the old password. Then you can type your new password and then confirm the new password and click on submit. If successfully submitted, then your password will be changed. This is the profile button where you can see your job profile, your company name along with the headquarter, your username, role name, your manager, first name, last name. You can choose your own image. In fact, you can choose any image and your email ID, phone number and mobile number. The last thing over here which comes is the logout button. So once you are done with your work, as a matter of practice, I usually suggest you to log out of this application so as to ensure the security of the data. Specifically when you are working in a cyber cafe or else in a public domain, when the computer is shared. Now let us come to this left hand side menu. This left hand side menu is something like it depends upon the role and privilege of the user. If it is a medical representative, user is medical representative, then depending upon that privilege, he will be able to see a fewer menu in comparison to the manager, and manager will not be seeing all these menus which all are here, like medicine will not be populated to manager, administration will not be populated to manager, our doctors will not be populated to the managers. So it is entirely a privilege and access driven platform. So depending upon your daily activity and depending upon your work, this menu, left hand side menu, will be populated. So this completes the login information and logout information of MyRx. Thank you.